So hello and welcome to my channel, and today I'm very excited. It's a Poundland haul. Not done one of these for so long because I've not been, I know it's been open during lockdown, but I've stayed away. But needs must, so I've gone back in. So I've bought quite a few essentials. I'm not going to show you everything because I've bought quite a few food items, but I will go through some. I'm going to start with these. Cathedral City Baked Bites. These are absolutely scrumdiddlyumptious. You get 5 packs in here. Each pack is 115 calories. 5 packs for £1 is not bad at all, is it? Absolutely love these. I only found them before lockdown. Never had them before. They're not... I thought they'd be a little bit like the... what are they called? Cheddars or something. But they're even tastier. So definitely recommend these. Packet of Flumps or Haribo Chamallow. I'm not quite sure how you pronounce that. I've already been in here, I'm afraid. I got a bit desperate. My favourites are the twisted ones. Absolutely scrummy. Again. Stocks of my sweets have run out as well, so picked up a couple of these. These are my faves, the Haribo Jelly Babies. I also picked up a pack of the Tanfastics, but I've eaten them. Love the strawberry ones in here. It's funny, I tend to eat the red, purple, green and white, and then I give the yellow and orange ones away because I'm not keen on those. Yeah, a bit weird, but they're my favourite flavours. Now this was an interesting one. So these are little mini fudges. And they've just packaged them up in their own, well, whoever's done it. I'm wondering if this is something like, you know, when you go to a Cadbury's shop, we've got one over at Freeport where it's like, not rejects, but they have all the stuff. And I'm wondering, I think I've seen something like this before in there. So they've started having a few different price points in Poundland, I've noticed. These are only 50p, you get 10. Got a very short shelf life on them. I didn't realise. 1st of June, which by the time you see this video will have gone. But you've got 10 there for 50p. Milky Bars, you know I love chocolate. Milk chocolate and white chocolate are my favourites. In here for your £1 you get 6 small bars. Only 65 calories for a little one, so they're a nice little sweet treat. Minstrels. I love minstrels. Minstrels and the counters, and I also like the Malteser ones. These are a bigger pack, and you get 216 grams for £2. Now, what I have noticed with some of the other larger packs of sweets is always check the gram, because they had the Malteser ones that I like as well. And they're about 50 grams less for the same price. So, gram for gram, minstrels are better value. A couple of crafting items next. I'm not sure if I've seen these in there before or not. But I was doing a couple of cards during lockdown and I didn't have enough numbers. Different types of numbers, different shapes and sizes. So you get 133 of these. I got 2 packs. They are £1 a pack, which... it's a little bit more pricey, but they are, for me, I think they're really good quality stickers. So, yeah, they did them in gold as well. And then I got a couple of packs of different foam shapes. Loved these stars. These are actually the Crayola brand, which is a pretty decent brand. So, all different sizes and colours there. And then the same in hearts. So, all different sizes, all different colours. Really nice to have in the craft box. Okay. I grabbed another grout pen. This is going to be sent to my mum and dad for them to use in their bathroom. And then they had a lot of different Oral-B toothpaste this time at different price points actually. So I was contemplating buying the more expensive one, but I think this is my favourite one. I get mixed up now, there's so many out. I'm not sure which is my favourite, but I think it's this one. It's the Plus Extra White Cool Mint, and it's Oral-B Complete, this one. This was only £1, so I got 2 of those. But like I say, there were some other ones up to £2.50. My first aid favourite, always have a tube of Germaline in the first aid box. I use it on all different things. If Alan ever says he's got a little scratch or a little sore, out comes the Germaline. Yeah, and it's normally, I'm sure it's a little bit more expensive than £1, so I was pretty pleased with that. Let me see how big the tube is. yeah, that's a pretty decent size. For £1, very good value. Right, picked up some of these. So, we have a lot of limescale here. We've got a water softener, but the toilets at the bottom is still fill up with the limescale. I use all different things. The Harpic Black is one of my favourite, but I'd seen on a Facebook page about using false teeth cleaning tablets. This is a brand that I am familiar with, Sterident, and you get 30 tablets in there for £1. So I'm going to pop a couple of those in the loo, and hopefully they'll get rid of all the limescale. So yeah, really chuffed to find those for £1 because they're quite expensive normally. Got my hands on some hand wash. Blimey, this has been hard to get hold of, hasn't it? I needed the antibacterial one. There are plenty of hand washes around, but they're not the antibacterial. So I kept held back and found this one. It's a Carex one, and it's got moisture. My hands are getting so dry from washing them so much. And it's got the antibacterial, so it's an antibacterial hand wash, kills 99.9% of bacteria. And this is a refill one. Now for me, I think refills usually are in pouches. Yeah, smells quite nice. But yeah, it's all these plastics, isn't it? But at the moment, unfortunately, this is needed to keep us safe and healthy. So yeah, like that. Grab some of my favourite deodorant, the Sanex. This is the invisible one. I use this fragrance quite a lot. Let me have a little... Yeah, I like this one. Now, interestingly enough, I jumped ship and went on a different brand the other day. I'm using a Right Guard one at the moment, and it's no way near as good as this. So I'll be going back to it once that's finished. So they have this in a few different fragrances. The pink one, there's a blue one, I think there's green, there's quite a few different ones. I used spray deodorant for so many years. I was getting fed up with it getting all, you know, when you get the whiteness, even the anti-white ones didn't work. And now I've moved over to roll-on. I won't be going back because you don't get any of that fallout, and it doesn't go on your clothes. I know a lot of people don't like it because they sort of say it's a bit sticky on your armpits, but this one dries really quickly. So yeah, love it. Just a few more bits. My favourite hand cream. Talking of washing your hands so much, God, my hands have been dry. This is my favourite hand cream that I've found so far. I quite like the hemp one from the Body Shop, but that's pretty pricey. But the #6 from Poundland is a fantastic hand cream. It's got, let's have a look at it, fights visible signs of ageing with coconut oil, collagen and vitamin E. It's suitable for sensitive skin as well. Fairly decent sized tube, 75ml. I actually grabbed 3 of these because I've got one at work, so I'm going to have a spare one. I ran out at home. Yeah, really pleased that they had this in stock. Another massive recommendation if you like using hand cream. Had a very quick browse over the makeup. I was very conscious I didn't want to be in the shop and it was quite busy, which I didn't like. So I had a very quick look, and this is a new product that I'd not seen in there before. It did have new. They've got quite a few eyebrow products. So this is Slay the Brow, and it's brow gel for up to 24-hour wear. And I've gone for the shade Blonde. Let's get it out of the packet and have a look. Right, so that's a little brush. So I'm going to do a little bit of a product review. I've done a couple of brow product reviews. So I'm going to use the Poundland one there, and then I've got another one from Primark. So I'll do a review on those, and they can go up against each other. And then finally this, just a glasses case. I picked one of these up last year in this colour, and they also have it in like a tan. I mean, that is absolutely fantastic value for £1, isn't it, for a sunglasses case. Let's just take the packaging off. Woo. There you go. Yeah, I think that is absolutely fantastic value, and it's a nice hard case to protect your sunnies. I also picked up a Sure deodorant. This one is for my dad. I'm going to send it. I send my mum and dad little parcels every few weeks at the minute while we're in lockdown. Like to put a few goodies in them. I've actually going to do a couple of videos on those, so keep an eye out for that. Yeah, so got a couple of those for Dad. And then just so everything's nice and clean and anti-bac, good old Zaflora, £1. This is one of my favourites, the Linen Fresh. You can use this in with your washing. I tend to put a capful in on certain washes, things like bed sheets, gym kit, just to get rid of any unwelcome smells. And then one of these, I've actually used it because it was our anniversary the other day, so I had to wrap up some presents. This is brilliant. For £1, you get all these different, these are ribbons that go round. You've got some with stars on and then just some sort of silvery. And then they've got the matching bows inside. I always like to make my parcels, birthday parcels or anniversary parcels, look nice with a bow and a few frills. So yeah, thought that was great value for £1. So that's it, just a very quick Poundland haul. I didn't want to hang around for too long in the shop because, like I say, it was getting a little bit busy for my liking. And really I wanted to, you know, you're not supposed to be in there browsing at the moment. It was just a quick bang, 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 grab what you need, out. So that's it. I have missed filming haul videos so much. So I'm glad that the shops have been open, but I'm glad I'm going in again. I won't be doing too many because at the minute I am still trying to keep safe and well. So I shall only be going when I need something, you know, urgent. So thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. Be great if you wanted to hit that button and subscribe to my channel. My numbers are not growing very quickly at the moment. I'm not sure if people just aren't watching during this lockdown period. So I'm hoping now the restrictions are being lifted a little bit that people might start watching and tuning in again and helping to grow the channel. So if you want to leave a comment below, I'll always write back to you. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.